friends, I'm Tassi from Tassi Studio, and welcome back to another episode of our Advent Sunday. And I am so excited to be here with you. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here, and welcome back if you're coming back to see me today. I'm here today to bring some exciting things that we have been doing this last summer, and also to talk to you and give you a little bit of information on a sweater that I am finally making for myself. I have decided to dive into knitting the Ranunculus, which is a super popular and beautiful sweater by let me see if I can say this correct, Midori Hirose. And I just want to go over with you a couple of the things that I did and how I finally decided to knit that sweater, and I am so happy that I did. It's turning out to be beautiful. I decided to make that for my Christmas sweater. Hopefully I'll be able to finish all of my gift knitting before, with enough time to finish my sweater. First I wanted to show you my my choice, and this is where I'm at. I should actually show you this way, but this sweater, the Ranunculus, was introduced and first published in 2017, and it's a hugely popular sweater. Right now it has over 21,000. Can you believe that, my friends? 21,000 projects on Ravelry. So it's just amazing. Some people have made like 10 of them, and I can understand why, because I think that it's a easy pattern, even though it has a lot of texture, a lot of some almost like a lacy design to it. For me, it first looked like it was a cable, but it is more of just a pattern design. And I just thought that it would be a difficult project and a difficult pattern also, but to be honest with you, it's one of the easiest texture or lace patterns that I have ever knit. It's not just easy, it's super rewarding, and you keep wanting to get to the next row. I had to stop for a little bit because that's all I wanted to knit, and I really needed to work on my gift knitting first, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. This is a top-down round yoke sweater that has and features lace and texture stitches. It's what's fascinating about it is that it's just super adaptable. You can use, she offers two different kinds of neckline. I did for mine, I chose the smaller neckline. She offers two options, one being that you have the smaller one, and the other one being the wider one. And I opted for the smaller one for this one because after starting this, I know I'm going to make another one. She also offers two choices. You can make it with long sleeve and with short sleeve, and I know I'm gonna make one for the summer, and I want to make the short sleeve with the longer, more open neckline, so I made this one with the smaller one. I'm also using the pattern, and the designer offers that you can go from a lace to worsted weight yarns. So you could knit with a huge variety of yarns, but the fun part of it is no matter which yarn you're using, you will use just one size needles. All the information I'm giving to you is information that has on the front page of Ravelry, so I'm not giving, this is a paid for pattern, so I'm not giving any information that is not already available for the public. One thing that I picked up that I've learned recently is I am knitting mine with this yarn, and that is the Magpie Fibers, the quartet, which has the gauge of 16 to 20 stitches per 4 inches, and mine I'm doing on the color Soylent. I got this yarn when I was at the Sacred Sheep in November, and is from Magpie Fibers, and I love this green, and I thought it would be a little bit nice sweater to wear on hopefully Christmas Day if I can finish. I'm truly enjoying knitting this sweater, and even though I'm balancing trying to finish my my gift knits, I think that hopefully it's so quick, and after I just finished the yoke, and after finishing the yoke I am going to just do the raglan increases, and then I'll be ready to knit the body. And because you knit on a big size needle, I think that I'll be able to finish. The thing that I was going to say that I just recently learned is that if you are using a yarn that has been hand dyed, that you want to interchange using 2 balls of yarn to interchange the colors, because sometimes they have a difference from one skein to the other, and you don't want your sweater, on the body of the sweater, to have a line of different colors. If you interchange knitting 1 row with this ball and 1 row with another ball, then you will have a more it's not going to be an even color because it's hand dyed, but it's going to be more it will be truly changing the colors, and this way it will be will look more evenly distributed throughout the sweater. So I think that that's what I wanted to say. I'm pretty close to being I'm done with the yoke, so now I'm going to do the raglan increases, and I'll be ready to do the body. I'm pretty close to being done with my gift knits, and I hope to finish this weekend. Then I can concentrate on just knitting the sweater for myself. I'm super excited, and I'm so happy to belong to the club now of knitting the ranunculus also for myself. I hope that if you're going to try that you enjoy, and that it's as fun for you as it's been for myself. I don't know why I waited so long to make one, because I should have known, if people make so many of them, that it's a very enjoyable pattern. Now I just want to talk to you about some events that happened for us this last week, and I will be showing some little pictures and video clips as I talk about this. this past week was filled with some really great moments for us. My husband and I, we celebrated 33 years of marriage. It was our anniversary, and we went to a great little restaurant that we love. It's called here in Portland, Oregon, and it's called Three Doors Down. It's a tiny restaurant that serves really, really nice food. We ate some really good food for dinner. We had some nice wine, and then we topped it all off with a delicious tiramisu. I loved the tiramisu that they make. Sometimes it's not my husband's favorite, but he really liked that. So I think that it was a good one if he really liked it. I also really enjoyed baking cookies with my grandson. I call him D here. I was inspired by Nicole from the Pine Cottage. I love watching her. I love watching her videos. Can you see my dog over there, Mel? She just sat down at the chair. When my husband is home, she is with him most of the time, but when it's just me, she is following me everywhere I go. But as I was saying, I love watching Nicole. She is so fun, and she loves knitting socks, and I get super inspired by watching her knitting socks and want to knit socks more often this next year. And she is now trying to perfect her, not just baking cookies, but the decorating Christmas cookies. And I've been watching that she is doing a Advent Sunday videos also, and that's what inspired me to make just my videos just on Sundays. And she is just fabulous, and I just love watching her. I love her attitude and how she's tries to be a minimalist, and that's something that I also really like for my life. And she right now has I need to look at my notes to make sure that I'm saying it correctly. If you are also baking and decorating cookies, if you want to share the pictures with her, on Instagram she has a hashtag that it's hashtag cookie decorating. And I was trying to do some baking, and we did the cookies yesterday, and now I will see my grandson again, not tomorrow, but the day after, and we are going to try to decorate, and I'm going to try to put mine on her hashtag on Instagram also. I have never really decorated cookies, so I have no idea how it's going to turn out. And also, when I bake cookies with him, I let him decorate the way he likes it. So we'll see how mine turns out, but it's been so much fun, and I'm going to be showing you here also some of the pictures and the videos that we did together. We both had a lot of fun making that. If you haven't watched Nicole at the Pine Cottage, go see her videos and watch her YouTube channel, because I am sure you're gonna really enjoy. Enjoying so much today, I decided to record here in my living room so you could see a little bit of my tree and some of our decorations. I think I have already showed my decorations on and how I decorated the house on my last video, but today I wanted to show you a little bit more about my a little bit more of my tree, so we can all enjoy it together. If you are curious about seeing if I finish and how the progress that I made with my ranunculus, don't forget to subscribe, For now, until I see you again next Sunday, I hope that you're enjoying this holiday season. I hope that you're having fun. I hope that you're enjoying seeing Mel watching outside. She loves to just sit there and watch people passing by. And until we see each other again, stay healthy, keep knitting, crocheting, crafting, doing what makes you happy. See you soon. Ciao.